Welcome to Geeta's world. We are visiting one of the powerful waterfalls in Europe, the Rhine Fall. Water falling at a rate of 600 cubic meter per second in summer. It is 150 meters wide and 23 meters high. We crossed the Rhine River by boat to reach the waterfalls. The Rhine Falls were formed in the last ice age, approximately 14,000 to 17,000 years ago. There is a mighty rock, Rheinfallfelsen, in the midst of the waterfalls. We can climb up this rock through spiral steps. With loud thundering and roaring, water falls down from both sides of the rocks. It was fun climbing up the steps with the roar and vibration of water and the mist falling all over our body. It is a great viewpoint from the top of the rock. Look at the scene behind the falls. The Rhine bridge on one side. Even saw a train passing by the bridge. A 1,000-year-old Laufen castle towering over the waterfalls. The beautiful Rhine River with many boats swaying on it. It was a spectacular sight. The boat took us close to the waterfalls. Indeed, a wonderful work of the nature. After the falls, we took a half-an-hour drive to reach Stein Am Rhein. It is a small, beautiful medieval town in Switzerland. Look at the well-preserved old town center with painted facades and half-wooden houses. Many houses had grand bay windows. It is not known precisely when this clock tower was built, but it was mentioned in 1367. We walked through the street. We walked by many old houses, the town center, fountain, clock tower, and reached the church. Near the St. Georgian Monastery, there is the city church which was built in 12th century. This is a door leading to River Rhine. A few meters down this place, River Rhine and Lake Constance join. We sat on the bench for some time. The beautiful blue River Rhine, with its water glimmering during the sunset, was splendid. As we were leaving, the church bells started ringing as if to bid farewell to us. Thank you for watching. Bye.